Hello, it's Leslie here. Today I'm going to look at these quick release skewers by ZTTO. These are made in China. They come in cardboard packaging, although with the plastic window, and they come threaded on this cardboard kind of carrier piece. For some reason this thing here has been blacked out with marker pen, and it just says aluminium alloy underneath there. I don't know why it's been blacked out. So these are available on AliExpress, and they're very cheap for what they are. I think I paid about $22 Australian to have them shipped to me here. So they use a titanium skewer. What I like about them is that you can disassemble them. They have a screw which you can see. It uses a 2mm Allen key in there. So you just undo that, then you can undo the head and get it off if you like. So it has a brass washer there, which reduces friction, I suppose. I haven't actually tested these out. I'm just looking at the manufacturing quality. So the titanium threaded at both ends. It's got more thread at this end and less thread at this end. That is actually made pretty well by the looks of it. The aluminium is not made quite so well. It's got some markings on it. It's not made as well as some other things that I've seen. For example, I don't know if you can see it. Here's one I've disassembled. I've seen nicer. So the little handle there, I thought it was going to be carbon fiber, but it's actually an aluminium rod. They could have probably made that out of a tube and saved even more weight, but anyway, they didn't. So I'm not going to use these. I don't trust them that much. I only actually got them for the titanium bit. I'm going to disassemble them and then upgrade another set of skewers that I have with these rods. So what don't I like about them? I don't like the tolerances. They're a bit nasty. If you look at this, so the tolerances on them are not that good. I'm not going to weigh them. I won't be using them, but I'd buy them for this part. I think they're worth it for the titanium part alone, but I don't think that the other bits are that great. There's the part I was trying to find. See how see there where you can see it's not made that well. Like they haven't checked it before anodizing it. There's kind of like little marks, and I'm not sure if that's a shaving of metal or some sort of. It's a mark anyway. Now if you look at something from, I don't know, SRAM, the latest other skewers that I'm upgrading are from SRAM, they just don't have these imperfections in them. So anyway, that's all I have to tell you about these skewers. I don't like this, the way they're loose like that. That could probably lead to creaking and squeaking, so I'm not really gonna trust them for that. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.